a whole new page of life. To nature, to myself. Thank you, God, so much. We all have that inner compass inside, which we feel that is always guiding, always leading, helping to take decisions and creating our lives. Sometimes we lose this voice in the mass of loud sounds around us. But however, if we finally hear that voice and listen to it, magical things happen. Just a few weeks ago, we left our apartment in the capital of Lithuania and moved out deep into the nature. Now our home is in the middle of forests, fields and lakes, somewhere I have seen in my dreams for so long. I was used to watch all those various nature living YouTube videos, but some part of my mind kind of watched it as a movie and not real world examples. And now, when I am creating myself the same kind of video, everything is so much different. Beautiful. Challenging, funny, silent, sometimes scary, as so many questions were unclear, and at one point my mind thought I am crazy to leave all this comfort and dive into the unknown. But it also feels so totally right. I'm in such a mess at the moment. A little bit scared, a little bit tired. Everything is new. Everything is unclear and challenging along the way. But I am so happy because this is exactly where I want to be now. And this is exactly what I want to do. I never really thought that surroundings make such big influence to our feelings, as I believe the source of happiness lies within us. But we are still humans and react to energetic information, egregores, common values and standards. And being in nature has no standards. Trees and fields just silently and majestically vibrate one unconditional truth. Everything just is. And this being is enough. It is full. It is complete. It is perfect. So this is a new beginning, not only of a lifestyle, but of all energy, intentions, inner healing, and sincere creation. So hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm so happy that you are here, and my name is Egle by creative name Egle, and although it's not my very first video, I feel like it is because now I'm filming in a whole new life chapter and with a whole new equipment which I am learning how to use from scratch by myself, and also I am creating now from a new perspective inside, because for many years, I guess a lot of you can relate to that we tend to work, create, or just live our everyday lives kind of feeling anxious all the time and measuring if we are doing enough, if it's right, how our work can be valuable. But now this whole step of moving to a nature finally is not mind created step, but it is a heart followed step. So I want my all creativity now to be the same. That means came from the heart. And I should admit and confess to you that I felt afraid before doing this video, and because I found, as I said, so many expectations inside and all those kind of different feelings. But one thing that I also found inside that was really loud and clear to me, that the way I want to create is about being true, being real, and that is exactly why I am sharing now these sensitive feelings with you. Like I learned in one very amazing shamanic retreat, that we don't create things, but we help them reveal themselves. I feel we are all like channels of life, and we are all unique, like a beautiful instrument in a big symphony, and yeah, let it be revealed. It is not easy to pave your own way, to do things your friends don't do. I don't have any YouTubers to talk to. I don't know if my relatives even understand me. I don't know if I will succeed or not. But what is success? I feel it is hearing our heart and letting it lead the way. Just trust your heart and dive deep in the unknown. Trust the way will show itself every step you take. Trust your intuition. You are worthy just because you are. So far, it is so interesting to observe everything. Only in 1 month we have transformed this cute house unrecognizably. Even we have changed in this short amount of time. How we managed such different situations, how we adapted to new habits and dealt with various challenges. Much better than I expected. There were lots of signs and guidance from universe. This is sun, and this is some kind of little rainbow or little sun child or something, or a good spirit. And I'm so excited about all of this happening now. This tripod standing right there, and this whole house, and this silence, and these views, and the sky that I can finally see through the window instead of houses and people and apartments that we saw in the city. I am so deeply grateful and ready for everything. So stay tuned and let's get to this adventure together. Let the new era begin. Stay tuned in this amazing adventure, and I will see you soon.